The sun goes down and the party is just reaching its peak while you reach for the controls of a machine that feels more like a piece of industrial art than a standard backyard cooker. Most people settle for a basic metal box that burns hot dogs, but you are looking at a heavy-duty professional powerhouse made of high-grade stainless steel. This isn't just about flipping burgers on a Tuesday night. It is about total and absolute control over fire. When you turn those control knobs, the LED lights glow with a vibrant spectrum of colors. It looks like a high-tech cockpit right on your patio. There is a genius safety feature tucked in there too. Those lights actually shift to bright red the moment the gas starts flowing. It keeps you and your guests safe while looking incredibly cool in the dark. This massive flagship grill is built for the serious outdoor chef who treats every meal like a craft. You get 5 main burners across a massive surface that can handle enough food for a small army. Then there are the specialized tools that really set it apart. You have an infrared rear burner that makes rotisserie chicken look like a professional masterpiece from a high-end bistro. There is a dedicated side burner specifically for high heat searing. It hits incredible temperatures to lock in those juices instantly. The cooking grids have a unique wave pattern that is iconic for this brand. They don't just look interesting for the sake of design. They help distribute heat with incredible precision across the entire cooking surface. You get those perfect signature sear marks every single time without any cold spots. It actually performs more like an outdoor convection oven than a traditional grill. You can roast a whole turkey or even bake a tray of biscuits with consistent heat that does not fluctuate. They even tucked a specialized smoker tray inside the main body. You can add those deep woody flavors to a rack of ribs without needing to buy a separate bulky smoker. Of course, a beast of this magnitude comes with some real-world trade-offs. It is massive and incredibly heavy. It takes up a lot of real estate on your patio, and you will definitely need a strong friend to help you get it out of the box. The good news is the main grill head comes mostly pre-assembled from the factory. That is a huge relief because the internal components are complex. You still have to secure the heavy side shelves and carefully connect the gas lines. You need to take your time with the setup process. Check every connection for leaks and make sure every single bolt is tightened down. This is a long-term investment in your lifestyle. It is a luxury item with a premium price tag to match the performance. If you only grill once a month, then this is probably way more machine than you actually need. But if you live for the weekend barbecue and pride yourself on your outdoor kitchen, then this machine is the ultimate dream. It turns your backyard into a professional-grade catering station. The heat retention is legendary because the materials are so thick. The build quality suggests it will stay in your family for decades. It is the kind of equipment that makes you want to cook outside even when the weather isn't perfect. You are paying for precision engineering and extreme durability. Every single detail feels intentional and sturdy. From the way the heavy lid glides open on its hinges to the sheer weight of the stainless steel grates, it just screams high-end quality. It is a true statement piece for your home. You are not just buying a cooking tool. You are buying the ability to host legendary events. It is big enough to feed the entire neighborhood at once. It is versatile enough to handle a delicate piece of salmon or a massive brisket that needs hours of steady heat. This is for the person who wants the absolute best and isn't afraid of the footprint it leaves. It is a heavy and shiny fire-breathing masterpiece that earns its place as the centerpiece of the deck.